Yo, what's going on EDM YouTube? So my name is Frisky Hug. I'm an EDM content creator. I go to a lot of raves, a lot of festivals, and I love to vlog about them. And today we have EDC Orlando. For those of you that don't know, I actually live in Orlando now, so this is like fucking perfect timing. And actually I just got back from EDC Las Vegas, but someone stole my GoPro, and that's on me. I wasn't prepared enough. I should have made sure this was like tied to my chest or tied to like my waist or something. It is what it is. So too bad I didn't get any footage available for that. So no vlogs for EDC Las Vegas. But I'm gonna make it up because we're gonna get some EDC Orlando footage, man. So for today, it's day one. We got some of the home-based like day pool party stuff. I'm here with my boy Sam. I'm here with my boy Eric, and then with Aaron and Lori as well. We're gonna take the shuttles, head to EDC, and let's start this vlog. We're here at Homebass. My boy Sam. We got Bobber. We got Justin. I don't know where Eric went. My roommate. Oh, he's over there. And then, what was your name again?
Hey, I'm Dave.
That's Dave.
How you doing?
Hey man, it's the Chris himself.
Jump in. What's up, Manny? Hey, everybody.
Where are we at? What is this?
We're the Stoli Tank. Come on down, guys.
Yeah, we're doing it.
Awesome! This is Stoli, Liberate Your Spirit, doing home base at EDC. You going to EDC tonight, guys? Woo! Get some, where's my bubble machine?
So we're gonna go see Life is Rave on Instagram. That's our boy Zach Bowser. I don't think Bowser's his last name, man. That is it.
What's up, boys? You can restock. I got all your booze. I got all your booze,
What are you fucking doing, bro?
I bought them all yesterday and they're like, this is all gone now. This is, I was texting Eric, I was like, Eric, wait, you're right. Wait.
I'm here with Niha. I just sent Hayden a picture of us back in 2019. I was like, I miss the good old days. 2019 was such a good year. What? Wait a minute, this is connected? Hello, Mickey. Hello, fam.
Yo, what's up? Alright, I can roll with it. This works, right?
Oh my god.
Watch me catch me fucked up every fucking time. I'm done with you, Manny.
Dude, so look at us fucking playing sad music. This motherfucker. So introduce yourself.
Lori.
Aaron.
Maybe he took his shoes off for the
I don't want to be this guy right now, but oh, the Dollar Tree's right. The Dollar Tree's right there. Dollar General. You don't think they have shoes?
They got slippers.
Hey, so I forgot my shoes at the house, and we're already here.
What you got going on over there, man?
So I was able to find shoes at the dollar store.
Wow. Wow. Shout out Dollar Tree.
Shout out Dollar General. Thank you for having
Dollar
shoes.
General. Thank you for your service.
So we got in. Security was pretty lax. Everything was really relaxed. But I lost my group. I don't know where they went. Who is this guy? Who is Brian, bro?
How are you, my guy?
My guy, dude. Bright side. Dude. Damn, bro, those Yeezys? Damn. Got my Dollar General
Before and after.
Oh my God. Hello. How are you? Good. What's going on, buddy? Oh, what's up?
This is Henry.
What's your buddy?
This is Brandon.
Brandon,
And Tyler.
Tyler, nice to meet you,
What's
buddy.
going on, man?
Sam, per usual. We got Aaron. We got hello.
What's up, dude? I barely remember it, but.
What's going on, brother?
Granny.
How you doing? Looking nice. Hello, guys. Welcome to the vlog.
What's up,
buddy?
How you doing?
Doing good. Hello.
Frisky. What up, Frisky? How you doing, brother?
Buddy?
Good. You?
Good.
Hello, Manny. Hard at EDC Orlando. I'm like we're not gonna run into each other in 15 seconds.
I know.
Every time.
Well, I'm actually here for the medical tent. Deepa Princess is here. She's working here, so I'm with her right now. But we got Danny in the house, man.
You already know. How we doing?
Bam, bro. Hell yeah.
Hey, you want to double vlog it? We double vlogging now.
Oh, this
Frisky
is like
hug,
some
frisky
fucking
hug.
vlog shit.
Good to see you. I knew I was gonna run into you. Hey, you know what they say? The best camera is the one you have.
What's up, buddy? Hey, buddy. Yes. You can't do much with it inside.
Oh, that's so
they
smart.
stole my camera at fucking EDC.
Dude, I was just telling him my fucking camera got stolen.
Oh fuck.
I ordered the 10. Fucking 10. Well, how's your EDC Orlando experience so far, man? Hey, you're on camera, bro. Watch it.
I love festivals. Hello.
I love
Hi.
festivals so much. I
Hello.
come
I
for
love
the
you
vibe.
guys so much.
I love you too, bro.
There's a place called Toss Up a Party. Hi, honey, let's do it.
Where'd you guys get this? This is bad. What? Where'd you guys
Yo! Bitch, come here! What the fuck is up, bitch? It's
Don't
EDC.
fucking perceive me this weekend.
Don't perceive us. Don't perceive
Please don't
us.
perceive me right now. Where you guys headed?
Hello.
Hello.
Don't perceive me.
You can perceive me all the fuck you want.
I better go to Circuit Grounds.
Hold on, Electro.
Hey, are you doing okay?
I'm doing fantastic.
Oh shit, you're Retina!
Spaghetti time.
Welcome to your doom.
I fucking love bass music. I can't be foreseen. Get the fuck out the club! If you ain't taking shots, get the fuck out the club!
I feel like you get something like that actually like fills you, you know?
No, I didn't want to have to like move and
Yeah, I guess.
support.
This is my boy! What's up, baby? This is my boy! We play video games the entire 2020! Okay, well, if you're watching this, you've made it to the end of the vlog. So it's now the next day, but I'm filming an outro to kind of explain how I got home. We have a shuttle pass, but we didn't go to Will Call and pick it up. So we ended up driving back. We added like 4 more people to our car, so we were just like crammed in there. Came back to the house, didn't do any after parties, slept. And honestly, I'm feeling good for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and get ready for day 2.